Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking a deep dive into Apple stock, analyzing the latest news and events to see how they impact the chart data. Firstly, let's address the recent news surrounding Apple. Apple Incorporated announced a transition in their chief financial officer role, with Luca Maestri stepping down in January 2025 and Kevin Parekh taking over. This news has sparked some investor reactions, with some analysts believing that it's a good time for a change, while others are concerned about the potential impact on Apple's financial performance. Another key event to consider is the upcoming iPhone 16 launch event scheduled for September 9th. Investors are excited about the new hardware releases, but concerns remain regarding the potential delay of Apple Intelligence, a new AI feature set, and its impact on near-term sales. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts, starting with the one-day time frame. Looking at the overall trend, we see that Apple has been in an uptrend for the past several months, with a consistent series of higher highs and higher lows. However, the recent price action suggests a possible slowdown in momentum. The stock has pulled back from its recent highs, forming a bearish engulfing pattern on the one-day chart. This pattern indicates a potential shift in sentiment and could suggest a short-term bearish trend. Let's zoom in on the past few weeks of trading to see if there's any confirmation of this potential bearish trend on the one-day chart. We can see that the price action has been choppy with no clear direction. The stock has traded within a range of $208 to $228, indicating a lack of conviction in either direction. The volume has also been relatively low, further suggesting a period of consolidation. It's important to note that this consolidation could simply be a pause before the stock resumes its uptrend. However, the bearish engulfing pattern suggests that a breakdown below the lower end of the range is a possibility. Looking at the one-hour chart, we can see a closer view of the price action. The chart reveals that the recent pullback has been accompanied by increased volatility, suggesting a struggle between bulls and bears. The one-hour chart also shows a series of lower highs, indicating that the bullish momentum is waning. A break below the previous support level at $224 could confirm the bearish trend and signal a further decline. However, if the price manages to hold above this level, it could indicate a potential rebound towards the resistance level at $228. Let's zoom in on the last few days of trading on the one-hour chart to see if there are any notable patterns. We can see that the stock has been trading within a tight range, bouncing between $217 and $227. This range is marked by significant support at $217 and resistance at $227. A break above the resistance level at $227 could indicate a continuation of the uptrend, while a break below the support level at $217 could signal a further decline. The recent price action suggests that the market is unsure of the direction of Apple, and we may be in for a period of consolidation before a clear breakout occurs. Finally, let's look at the 15-minute chart to get a real-time feel for the market. The chart shows a high level of fluctuation, indicating a high level of trading activity. The stock has been bouncing between support and resistance levels, creating a choppy trading environment. This volatility makes it difficult to predict the short-term direction, as the market is currently in a state of flux. We'll need to closely monitor the price action on this time frame to identify any potential breakout or breakdown. Looking at the latest 15 minutes of trading, we can see that the price action has been relatively flat, bouncing between $226 and $227. This range suggests that the market is undecided on the direction of Apple in the short term. We need to watch for any significant breakout or breakdown from this range. A break above $227 could signal a short-term bullish trend, while a break below $226 could indicate a short-term bearish trend. This is crucial information for intraday traders looking to capitalize on short-term price movements. In conclusion, AAPL's price action is currently indicating a lack of direction, with the one-day chart showing a potential slowdown in momentum. The one-hour chart reveals increased volatility and a struggle between bulls and bears. The 15-minute chart indicates a choppy trading environment, with the market undecided on the short-term direction. Key price levels to watch include the support at $217 on the 1-hour chart and the resistance at $227 on the 1-hour chart. A break above the resistance could signal a continuation of the uptrend, while a break below the support could signal a further decline. It's important to remember that the market is constantly evolving, and news events can significantly impact price action. The upcoming iPhone 16 launch event and the CFO transition are key factors to watch closely. A strong iPhone 16 launch could potentially push the stock price higher, while any delays or negative news could trigger a sell-off. The CFO transition also has the potential to affect the market's sentiment towards Apple. Traders should stay informed about the latest news and developments to make informed trading decisions. In terms of predictions, it's difficult to say with certainty what direction Apple will take in the short term, as the market is currently in a state of flux. However, if the price breaks above the resistance level at $227 on the 1-hour chart, it could indicate a potential short-term bullish trend. Conversely, a break below the support level at $217 on the 1-hour chart could signal a short-term bearish trend. The market will be looking for any signs of bullish or bearish momentum to drive a clear direction. For long-term investors, Apple remains a strong company with a solid track record, and the recent pullback may represent a buying opportunity. To summarize, the current price action suggests a potential slowdown in momentum, with the market undecided on the direction of Apple. Important price levels to watch include the support at $217 on the 1-hour chart and the resistance at $227 on the 1-hour chart. A break above the resistance could signal a continuation of the uptrend, while a break below the support could signal a further decline. News events related to the iPhone 16 launch and the CFO transition will be key factors to monitor. Traders should stay informed and make informed decisions based on the latest news and chart data.